Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up app timers on Samsung Galaxy S25. First you just need to go to the settings. Now scroll down until you find this digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it and from here you'll find app timers. You can just set timers for applications. You can tap on it. Now from here you can just name the app timer from here. For example, I'm going to give a name. Just like this, tap on done. Now from here the second step is select items. So now from here you can select the apps that you want to set timers for. For example, I'm going to add this to Google Driver and Google like this and simply tap on done, and it will add the multiple applications you select in the selected item section. Now from here you can just simply tap on add schedule button to schedule this timer. You can just set the timer from here. You can set the date from here, like Saturday, Monday, this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now from here you can also select the time from here. For example, I'm going to set it for Sunday, and from here I can just add the timer from here. Let me set the time, and I can add another schedule for this app timer. For example, I want to add for Tuesday. From here, if I tap on it, let me show you. Oh sorry, this is for every Sunday from here, but I just need to add this, not this. I just need to, let me add again these applications. Now that's how I can just simply just scroll down. This is the hour scroller and this is the minute scroller, and if you want to save this timer for these apps, then you can simply tap on save and it will save the app timers on your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.